Staten Island, bulldozers are scooping up sand to help build barriers along the beach. Flooding is a potential threat there. CBS 2's Vanessa Murdock joins us live from Gerritsen Beach in Brooklyn with more on city preps. Vanessa.
Yes, we're here along the waterfront. I want you to take a look across the way from me at the bulkheading. Here's the deal. Coastal flooding is expected to cause some problems here in Gerritsen Beach tomorrow. Look at the bulkheading. You can see the high water line. It's where the dark meets the light. Tomorrow morning and tomorrow night at high tide, we expect water levels to be 2, possibly 3 feet above that, and that means over the bulkheading, possibly into some basements here at the very least. So people are getting prepared, as is the city.
So the water can't come into the shower, so I got a plug in there blocking it, and that's just the beginning.
Efrain Arroyo says flooding in his basement level home happens.
Comes up to the sewers, comes to the walls.
And while he's hoping Mother Nature spares his hometown tomorrow, he is already set up to stop water from moving in and remove it if necessary.
This will go out to the bottom of the door and up to the street, and then pump it out the street. And if it surges over the street, then this whole basement fills up.
The city has issued a winter weather emergency. Mayor de Blasio says any unnecessary driving should be avoided.
Get done what you have to get done today. Do not bring your vehicle out tomorrow. And any vehicle that is blocking a roadway tomorrow, that's making it impossible for our snowplows to get through, will be towed.
Sanitation Commissioner Catherine Garcia says sanitation is already at full force.
We will stay full force through the duration of the storm and through all of the cleanup efforts. As he said, we have 579 spreaders, 1,650 plows. We have over 314,000 tons of salt on hand.
In advance of the storm, City Meals on Wheels is working overtime.
Come in.
We're bringing a box of extra just to make sure.
We joined them this morning as they delivered extra meals and emergency boxes to elderly New Yorkers to ensure they have enough food to get through the weekend.
It's security for them, and they are 80, 90. We're feeding over 300 people who are 100 years old or older. They won't be able to leave their apartments tomorrow, and they need the food on hand.
For Zoila Chanu, this small box is a really big deal.
Well, that's our job.
So quite a lot going on around the city, as you can imagine. Here in Gerritsen Beach, we spoke to many who say they'd much prefer the snow over the flooding that is possible. High tide here happens around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning and 7:30 p.m. tomorrow night, and that is when flooding would be at its worst. We're live in Gerritsen Beach. Vanessa Murdock, CBS 2 News.